healthy smoothies. That skyrocket blood sugar? Build this instead. Many seniors try smoothies to feel energized and stay healthy. But not all smoothies are kind to your blood sugar. Some blends that seem healthy can cause sudden spikes, followed by energy crashes and hidden long-term damage. That is why today's video will help you understand what to avoid and how to build blood sugar-friendly smoothies that truly support your body after 60. You can also find gentle, senior-friendly nutrition guides on the vitatrack.com to help you make better daily choices. In this countdown, we will uncover the most common smoothie mistakes from 7 to 1. Number 3 often surprises people, and number 1 is the single biggest trap to avoid if you want steady energy and balanced blood sugar. 7. Loading up on fruit without balance. Many seniors believe more fruit means more health. While fruits give vitamins and fiber, blending them in large amounts can lead to quick sugar absorption. When you eat a whole apple, the chewing slows sugar release. When you blend 3 apples with a banana and mango, your body gets a flood of natural sugar all at once. That spike can make you feel energetic for a short time, but it quickly leads to a drop, leaving you tired, lightheaded, or craving sweets again. Over time, these spikes may strain insulin response. A better approach is to use 1 serving of fruit and pair it with protein or healthy fat. Adding half an avocado or a spoon of chia seeds can slow the sugar rush. Seniors with prediabetes or diabetes must be extra cautious. Even natural sugar matters. If you want natural sweetness, berries are usually a safer option than tropical fruits. A good ratio is 1 cup of low-sugar fruit to 2 cups of greens or protein sources. This balance can help keep blood sugar stable, prevent crashes, and support lasting energy throughout the day. 6. Adding flavored yogurt or sweetened milk. Many smoothie recipes call for flavored yogurt or sweetened plant milk, which may look healthy on the label but often contain added sugar. Just half a cup of flavored yogurt can add up to 20 grams of sugar. That equals 5 teaspoons. When this gets blended with fruit, it becomes a sugar bomb. Many seniors drink these smoothies in the morning and wonder why they feel shaky or sleepy by mid-morning. Flavored almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk can also raise blood sugar more than expected. A good alternative is plain unsweetened yogurt or plain milk, which gives protein without extra sugar. Greek yogurt adds creaminess and keeps you full longer. Another option is unsweetened almond or soy milk paired with a scoop of protein powder. This balance helps stabilize blood sugar and gives lasting energy. Linda, a 68-year-old woman, used to drink fruit smoothies with vanilla yogurt daily. She noticed afternoon crashes and sugar cravings. When she switched to unsweetened yogurt and added ground flaxseed, her energy stayed steady all day. Her story is a gentle reminder that simple swaps can bring big changes to blood sugar control. 5. Forgetting about protein and fiber. Many smoothie recipes focus on fruits and liquids, but ignore protein and fiber. Without these two, your blood sugar can spike fast and fall quickly. Protein and fiber act like brakes on sugar. They slow digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. Seniors especially need this steady energy to avoid fatigue, dizziness, and sugar crashes. Adding protein can be simple. A scoop of protein powder, a spoon of nut butter, or a handful of seeds can make a big difference. For fiber, ground flax seeds, chia seeds, or leafy greens work well. Spinach blends smoothly without changing the flavor much. Many seniors find that smoothies with added protein and fiber keep them full for hours. That means less snacking, fewer cravings, and better blood sugar balance. When you build your smoothie, think of it as a complete mini meal, not a sweet drink. A balanced smoothie has 1 part fruit, 1 part protein, 1 part fiber, and some liquid. That simple formula can turn a sugar spike into steady fuel. 4. Using fruit juice as the base. Many people use orange juice, apple juice, or other fruit juices as their smoothie base. Juice seems healthy, but it is basically concentrated sugar without the fiber that slows it down. 1 cup of orange juice can have over 20 grams of sugar. When mixed with fruit and sweet yogurt, the sugar load becomes overwhelming. Seniors with diabetes or those watching their blood sugar should avoid juice bases completely. Water, unsweetened plant milk, or plain dairy milk are better options. Even coconut water can spike sugar levels if used in large amounts. One simple trick is to add ice or cold water with a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing, low-sugar base. This way, you still get a smooth texture without the sugar surge. Making this one change can dramatically lower the glycemic load of your smoothie. If you want step-by-step smoothie blueprints, weekly printable plans, and access to our supportive wellness circle, consider joining our YouTube membership. It's a gentle way to stay on track with daily health goals and build confidence with others just like you. 3. Not checking hidden sugar in protein powders. Many seniors add protein powder to make their smoothies healthier. But not all powders are created equal. Some have as much sugar as a candy bar. Chocolate, vanilla, and even natural flavors can have 10 to 20 grams of sugar per scoop. That turns a balanced smoothie into a blood sugar spike. Reading labels is key. Look for powders with 0 or minimal added sugar and at least 15 grams of protein per serving. Plant-based protein powders made from pea or hemp can work well. Whey protein isolate is another good option for those who tolerate dairy. Mr. Carter, a 72-year-old retired teacher, used to start his mornings with a smoothie made with flavored whey protein. His blood sugar stayed high for hours. When he switched to an unsweetened option and added a handful of spinach, his glucose readings improved, and he felt more alert. His story shows that one label change can make a real difference in daily health. 2. Skipping healthy fats. Healthy fats slow down how fast sugar moves from your stomach to your bloodstream. When smoothies lack fat, even a balanced one can raise blood sugar quickly. Adding a small portion of fat makes the drink more filling and balanced. Good fat options include avocado, almond butter, walnuts, chia seeds, or flaxseed oil. Just a tablespoon can stabilize blood sugar and keep hunger away for hours. Seniors who add healthy fats often notice fewer sugar cravings and better energy. It also supports brain health, which is especially important after 60. If you are watching your calories, a little goes a long way. Fats do not make you gain weight when balanced. They help your body absorb vitamins and keep energy stable. A well-rounded smoothie includes protein, fiber, healthy fats, and controlled fruit. This is what turns a sugar spike into lasting nourishment. 1. Not measuring portions. Even with the right ingredients, portion size can make or break your smoothie. A large smoothie with multiple servings of fruit, yogurt, and extras can contain more sugar than a soda. Seniors often underestimate how much they are actually blending. Portion control is the simplest way to prevent blood sugar spikes. A good rule is to keep your total fruit at 1 cup, protein at 1 serving, fat at 1 tablespoon, and liquid at about 1 cup. Denise, 66, used to fill her blender to the top each morning. She thought it was healthy, but her afternoon fatigue told a different story. After learning to measure ingredients, her energy improved, and her blood sugar stabilized. She didn't have to give up smoothies. She just built them smarter. That is the goal. Smoothies can work for you, not against you, when they are balanced, portioned, and thoughtfully made. When you build smoothies this way, you protect your energy, your mood, and your health. Visit thevitatrack.com to find practical senior-friendly recipes and gentle guides that make daily choices easier. And if you want weekly printable meal plans, trackers, and a warm, supportive health community, join our YouTube membership today to stay steady, strong, and in control of your health.